Hello and welcome to the introduction for this course. What you should know before you take the course. You should have a basic understanding of how a computer works. You should have a basic working knowledge of Python. Who should take this course? This course is designed for beginners to Python and beginners to programming in general. What will you learn on the course? We'll start off by setting up our development environment. So we'll install Python. We will import the modules we need from Python. We will create graphical user interfaces using tkinter and ttk. We will create classes with methods. We will create functions which are standalone. We will create virtual environments. We will also create 9 desktop applications, which include an app that will convert feet to meter, an app that will download YouTube videos for you, an app that will convert MP4 videos to MP3 audio files. We will create an app that we can use to calculate percentages of tips. For example, if you go to a restaurant and you're presented with a bill, you can determine what percentage of that bill you want to give as a tip. So we'll create the app that will help you do that. We will create an image slider, a currency converter, an app that will play MP3, a digital calculator, and a loan calculator. The course format is video-based and the duration of the course is 6 hours. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Thank you for joining us on this programming journey. If you found this video insightful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest programming courses, coding tutorials, and tech discussions. Learning and growing together is what makes our community thrive. So, don't forget to ring the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload new content. Your support fuels our passion for sharing knowledge and empowering aspiring developers like you. If you enjoyed this course, please share it with your friends and fellow programmers. Let's spread the love of coding and create a community of learners who inspire and uplift one another.